Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best Rada cutlery that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5. Best Rada Cutlery. The Rada Cutlery G201 paring knife set makes a wonderful gift for birthdays, anniversaries, weddings or to anyone that loves to cook. Included in this paring knife set are the peeling paring knife, regular paring knife and heavy-duty paring knife. The knives come in a peeling case for easy storage, with a form-fitted thermal insert keeping them in place. Number 5. Rada Cutlery 4-piece kitchen utensil gift set. The handles on the items in the kitchen utensil set are made from permanently cast silver brushed aluminum with a satin finish. They should not be washed in the dishwasher. Main features: hassle-free lifetime guarantee. Made in USA. Brushed aluminum handles. Number 4. Rada Cutlery Cook's Knife Stainless Steel Blade. Its handle is slightly offset and made of permanently cast, solid brushed aluminum. The handle is designed for comfort and performance. Main features: hassle-free lifetime guarantee. American-made knife. Brushed aluminum handle. Number 3. Rada Cutlery Paring Knife Set 3 Knives. The knives come in an appealing case for easy storage, with a form-fitted thermal insert keeping them in place. Manufacturing cutlery in the USA. Main features: hassle-free lifetime guarantee. Brushed aluminum handles. Stainless steel blades. Number 2. Rada Cutlery Knife 7 Stainless Steel Kitchen Knives. The handles on the knives in this starter knife set are made from permanently cast silver brushed aluminum with a satin finish. Main features: hassle-free lifetime guarantee. American-made knives. Brushed aluminum handles. Number 1. Rada Cutlery 15-PC Gift Set Ultimate Collection. The aluminum handles create a feel-good in your hand balance for superior comfort. Hollow ground blades ensure a precision concave surface for maximum edge retention. Main features: handcrafted in USA. High carbon stainless steel blade. Lifetime guarantee. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.